Mike Gatta, Senior Technology Solution Manager at Cisco for Enterprise Social Software. One of the things that, the question that was asked was the joint responsibilities between leadership teams and the workforce when you start introducing social tools or social applications. And it actually is a jointly shared responsibility. On the part of leadership teams, they do have to be concerned with issues related to security, issues related to any type of bias or HR-related condition that social tools may be perceived as to cause. They have to be sensitive to intellectual property, compliance, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. There are plenty of reasons why leadership teams can simply say no, right? But the opportunities for the organization, same leadership team, to deliver breakthrough levels of collaboration, to employ or engage employees in ideation, et cetera, are compelling. So there's a leadership middle ground that we have to get to, where at least at that point we can say we can mitigate the risks to a level that's acceptable so that we can realize the business value. Swivel that around, and what's the employee condition? What's their behavior to be expected? One is, to make sure that they are aware what the policies and procedures are, and to also be many eyes, right? I mean, one of the most common features being asked for now is when employees see something that is not, they're not quite sure they're comfortable with this being a public and transparent environment, that they themselves can flag it for somebody else to take a look at. They also need to be able to get out of their comfort zone, which is we're very used to email, we're very used to working in certain ways. Employees have to be open to making that mindset change, to kind of experiment a little bit. And if the leadership team can give these social environments in some non-mission critical applications like rideshare programs or employee outreach programs for Relay for Life or whatever charity work that an organization might do, that's great because the employees can start using the tools in a way that they don't feel is going to devalue them in their job if they embarrass themselves, but it gives them a grounding, it gives them footing. And then you can start building more serious applications where if I'm comfortable with the tools, I know how these things work, I know how to express myself, I've developed some literacies that allow me to contribute, then I can start using this for real work. I can use these social tools for ideation. I can use a wiki and maybe we can build a corpus of information in a way that is better than the knowledge management efforts of the past. I can start blogging, which is a way for me to share my expertise. I can join communities. There's just a lot of ways that employees can weave these social tools into their real work practices so that they're purposeful. They're not just viewed as outside the boundaries of work. And once we make social tools purposeful by integrating them within the business processes, then the improvements in the processes give us the metrics that justify the original introduction of the tools.